The great blue heron Ardea herodias is the largest heron in North America. Here are some key facts about it. Size: up to 4.5 feet tall, with a wingspan of around 6 to 7 feet. Appearance: slate blue feathers, a white face with a black stripe above the eye, long legs, and a dagger-like yellow bill. Habitat: found near freshwater and saltwater lakes, rivers, marshes, and coastal areas. Behavior: often seen standing still at water's edge or wading slowly, hunting for fish, amphibians, and small mammals. Nesting: builds large stick nests high in trees, often in colonies called heronries. Flight: flies with slow, deep wing beats and a tucked-in neck, unlike cranes, which fly with their necks extended.